everybody. This is my November 18th, 2024 update on my video journal of my recovery from the trauma of watching my little brother, Paul Kierans, 64, be locked up by the BC New Democratic Party government for 588 days, and then I believe he was killed with MAID at Burnaby General. So today I was in court. My brother died on April 23rd of 2024, but I had complained to the Burnaby RCMP about a power of attorney that my brother's group home created, naming my 81-year-old Catholic nun sister 4,000 kilometers away as Paul's representative. Paul lived about 13 kilometers from me. And they did that to give him the COVID-19 shot secretly. Paul had 5 siblings alive at that time. They didn't tell anybody but the nun in Ontario because they wanted to have somebody who didn't understand Paul's speech, who couldn't advocate for him, who couldn't see what was going on in the group home. And also I have another sister who's a COVID-19 skeptic, vaccine skeptic. Anyways, so I took a cab. I had 3 huge boxes, banker's boxes of documents that I had to take a cab into the Supreme Court in Vancouver. But that went okay. It cost $71. We have a new judge. The judge that had seized himself of the case was removed, and they parachuted in a new judge. So I have to explain everything all over again. And it's dubious. It's not good court practice to do this. It's called litigation in slices. Anyways, so the morning went okay. I had an adjournment application. I've asked the judge to wait and not do anything until the Burnaby RCMP conclude their investigation. But she said no, I didn't have enough evidence that they were investigating. And so it's going ahead. So I've got 4 more days of being tormented. But that's okay, because we're going to win in the end. But I just thought I would get on here and just bring you up to date on what's been going on, because it's, I don't want to just tell the good parts. I mean, I have to give you the whole sense. This is a miscarriage of justice. My brother's confinement and death is the worst miscarriage of justice in BC history. What I'm saying is that they killed Paul. They did medical assistance in dying on him. He wasn't capable of consenting to that. And that's the problem. That's the problem with medical assistance in dying, is that this is going to happen all the time. You've got vulnerable people. There's no proof, and the proof is that he was incapable, not that he was capable. But anyways, I'm not optimistic about the Supreme Court response to all of this, but I know that things are going to work out in the end, and Paul's going to be vindicated, and his death won't be in vain. And, it's just a matter of getting through this hearing and then appealing it and then going to the Supreme Court of Canada again. That's what we have to do. That's what we have to do. That's what we have to do. But that's it for now. Take care, everybody. Have a great night. Oh, I'm just out getting my 10,000 steps, and I brought Fleury the kitten in his little carrier. So I don't know what he thinks about all this.